This is a guided meditation for athletes to sharpen focus, rebuild confidence, and find calm under pressure. If this helps you lock in, hit like so more athletes can find it. Find a quiet spot. Sideline, locker room, car, or just your space. Sit tall or lie back. Let your hands fall heavy. Close your eyes. Breathe in through the nose, slow and controlled. And exhale through the mouth, longer than the inhale. Each breath lowers the static. Each exhale releases the noise that doesn't matter. Feel your heartbeat begin to match your breathing rhythm. Steady, strong, familiar. You've been here before. You know how to breathe through the pressure. Picture yourself in that quiet moment before the game begins. Laced up, taped up, lights humming overhead. The outside world fades. Crowd, coaches, cameras, all gone. What's left is the sound of your breath. That sound is control. That rhythm is calm. That's you coming home to focus. Now, bring to mind the work you've done. The early mornings, the reps no one saw, the moment you kept going when quitting looked easier. Confidence isn't noise, it's evidence. It's the quiet knowing built from repetition. You don't have to chase it, you remember it. Say softly to yourself, I trust my training, I trust my mind, I trust my calm. See yourself mid-gain. Movement all around, but you're centered. Everything slows just enough for you to read it. You see plays before they happen. Your breath is your metronome. Steady, precise, unshakable. Even when the moment spikes, your breathing doesn't. You adapt, you stay smooth. This is calm speed, not slow, not frantic, just controlled flow. Between bursts, you reset. A single exhale clears the last moment. A single inhale primes the next. Reset, refocus, execute. Pressure isn't a signal to panic. It's a cue to return. Back to your breath, back to the moment, back to your body's rhythm. Feel that rhythm now. Inhale for 4. And exhale for 6. Let it slow your mind without dulling your edge. You are calm, not soft. Focused, not tense. Present, not frozen. Let your awareness widen again. Hear the sounds around you. The air, the hum of the room. Notice how calm feels in your body. Not a feeling you have to find, but a state you can choose. When you're ready, take one deep breath in and open your eyes slowly. Bring that same focus back into whatever's next. If this helped you lock in, subscribe to Mindfulete for more athlete-built meditations. Calm under pressure, confident in my work, focused in the moment.